Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB, and welcome to 2024. Happy New Year to you all. Today we're having a look at something that we visited quite a few times last year, and that is RAM extractions. So whether or not you've done a physical full file system of a device that's captured the RAM, or you've completed a consent Samsung RAM extraction, there's different ways to actually view the RAM. You might actually have extractions already and you're just not aware that you have RAM within it. So let's have a look and see the differences. So this one is a consent Samsung device. So you can see here there are only 3 artifacts that have been passed, and that's because the data is raw. So to view it, we want to go into Hex Viewer. Once we go into Hex Viewer, this is the RAM extraction. We can then use the find functionality to do things such as find strings, reverse nibble searches, regex searches, and so on. So that is a consent extraction. Now, if we want to look at the difference with a device where we've done a full file system or a physical, for example, this is where you may be missing that you've actually got RAM as part of your extraction. So we used to see in the device, we've got the artifacts in our categories. But what has come from RAM? To view RAM, again, just like the consent, we need to go into the Hex Viewer. Once we open the Hex Viewer tab, you can see here we've got several image files available. And you can see the top one is RAM. Once we're in RAM, you can see that we've got all this lovely data to review that potentially could have that missing diamond for your case. And once more, we can use find, and we can start things such as Python scripts or any of our normal searches. We hope that you've found today's MSAB Monday useful and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.